we're gonna make this right here, wood grilled salmon on a cedar board. A few ingredients to this recipe. It's one of the most simple recipes I've ever done on this channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We have a few slices of lemon, butter. I have some paper thin slices of garlic, fresh dill, and of course our salmon. Our cedar wood plank, which you want to soak in some water for about an hour. Olive oil, just a little bit. We're gonna just brush it on both sides. Now we season our salmon. Season both sides and always season high. Okay, so we're gonna preheat our board. We're gonna toast each side for about 2 minutes. So watch how easy it is to prep this salmon. We're literally gonna put all our ingredients on top while our grill's preheating, and then we're gonna go outside and just lay it on top of our hot wood. That's it. So we're gonna lay our garlic down. Try to lay a nice, even amount all over. If you have to chop more, chop more. I only chopped one, I might have to chop some more. Now we go lemon, dill, butter, melting on top of everything, infusing all the flavors into the salmon. That's it. We're gonna take this out to the grill. We're gonna lay it right on top of our wood. So 2 minutes, we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna toast the other side. We're gonna lay our salmon. I'm gonna do it off heat. We're gonna lay our salmon right on top of this. We're gonna cook it just like this for about 10 to maybe 12 minutes. We're gonna check on it in about 6 minutes though. And I'm never gonna flip it over. I'm just gonna leave it right here off heat with the lid down and just completely cook it all the way through. So this is 10 minutes later. This is perfect. This is ready to go. No excuses on this one. Everybody can make this. Sexy.